In today's video, I want to show you how to delete channels or messages all at once on Telegram. To delete channels on Telegram and to delete all messages from individual contacts on Telegram, I'm going to be showing you that right now. To do that, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your Telegram. So let's open up my Telegram. So once you get to your Telegram, the first thing is this: you want to look for the channel you want to delete. So let's say we want to delete this channel. You want to open up the channel. Once you open up the channel, you check the top right corner. You are going to see the profile of that channel. You just want to tap on that to go to open up the channel profile. Once you tap on it to open it up, then if you check this three dots, if you check the three dots beside here at the middle, you want to tap on that three dot. Once you tap on it, it will show you a bunch of things here, but at the extreme bottom here, you can see where it says leave channel. Then you want to tap on that leave channel. Once you tap on that leave channel, to ask you for confirmation, just want to tap on leave, and this channel will be deleted from your account. So that is the first one. Then to delete individual messages, to delete chats, this is what you want to do. You want to look for the person you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete chat between me and this person. Then you want to open up the chat. Once you open up the chat, you want to tap you want to check the top right corner. You tap on the profile to open up this chat. Once you check the profile of the person, then the next thing you want to see at the middle here, you can see the menu is being represented by three dots. So tap on that three dots. Once you tap on the three dots, then you want to tap on clear messages on here. Just tap on clear messages. Once you tap on clear messages, then you want to tap on delete for me and this person. Then these messages or chats will be cleared and deleted successfully. So guys, this is how to actually delete chats and delete channels on Telegram. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.